Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are planning for the last week in December and the beginning of 2021. So I'm going to be using the New Year's kit from Coffee Planner Mom. I'm sure that's not a shock to many of you, but I thought I'd give this, I'll probably use this for a couple weeks. I normally get a few weeks out of her kits. But we're just gonna see how things go, because like some of these quotes, like while they go for this week, like you can use them. What you looking at, little man? Someone's being cantankerous. So yeah, like obviously Happy New Year I want to use here, but like other ones like Fresh Start, the Rent quote, this one I'm gonna use in my teacher planner. Because I'm going to use that song for my 5th graders this year, and we're going to talk about like New Year's resolutions and things like that. So let's get started. I do have some appointments this week, so those we're going to have to note out. I do like the Happy 2020 is over as well. So I guess we should start. I'm probably going to use a lot of the champagne type bottles, or I guess it could be sparkling grape juice as well. It could be that. I'll probably use a lot of those this week. So let's go ahead for our meals. I think meal planning this week is going to be interesting because it'll be a lot of leftovers. I mean, which is fine by me. Like, I'm totally cool with that. I hope everyone had a great Christmas or holiday or whatever you celebrate. We had a very nice Christmas. We like our holidays pretty chill. But I will say, one, I'm a Christian. I'm a Lutheran to be, if you want to be very specific. And this was the first year where I wasn't in charge of something for Christmas Eve service. And as a music teacher, let me tell you, December is stressful. And so it was nice to, like, we virtually watched our church service on Christmas Eve. And I just like, I could really enjoy it, which was nice. Not that I don't enjoy it other years, but I'm not in charge of, you know, making sure that children are behaving or, you know, things like that kind of stuff. I think I'm going to use this checkbox. Ooh, might do some, like, I actually got to like really listen. I don't know, maybe that doesn't make sense to people, but it is. Usually December is super duper stressful for me because of oh, it's okay. I think I'm gonna put this right here. So yeah, sorry, I was distracted because this is not our normal trash day. Because of it being Christmas, it got pushed back a day. And so Sharpie is all like, what is going on? And I'm like, I know. I'm so glad I took the trash down though. Throwing that out there right now. We're gonna put, might as well use this guy for our chores. So yeah, December just tends to be particularly stressful, and I don't get to enjoy it in the ways that other people enjoy the holidays. So it's nice that I'm able to, like, I was able to really enjoy the holiday. There it is. So this week is technically 2 zones. So I'm gonna use a little bit bigger box here. although one pretty much I'm still decluttering, and that's the office that I'm currently planning in. I'd like to go ahead and write this. Wait, do I have a chore sticker? I think I might. Yes, fabulous. Since it's the 5th week, there's and part of the first week, since I do the Fly Lady system, there's technically 2 zones. But I always have my first week be bathrooms because it's the easiest. Like, I can clean bathrooms, like, and this is like deep clean bathrooms. I can get through that real quick, so that's nice. The other part of the week, I'll be focusing on like decluttering the pink zebra / planner, filming, music room, catch-all place. We're also, our Christmas present to each other, my husband and I, was office furniture for the room that we're making our office. So we're still putting all of that together as well. I'm gonna put the Happy New Year one at the top, and I think we're gonna use this guy. Yeah. I love the colors she chose for this kit because you've got some like traditional New Year's colors, but then you've got like the green is like, it's not like super green, but I like how she said it was for like the renewal part of things. I like that a lot. All right, we should probably get some appointments down because we do have that coming up, and then we can add some other fun things after that. So I have a chiropractor appointment on Wednesday. And then Sharpie Dog has a hair appointment. His groomer appointment. I don't think, I might have another appointment sticker that's like attached to a different kit that I haven't finished up, so let me check for that. I do have an important one. That could work. All right, we'll use important because it is important. Oh, we could use don't forget. Don't forget would work. It's funny, right before I filmed this, I started filming day, I got my reminder of Sharpie has his hair appointment. And we grow his hair out. He's a Yorkie poo. So it's so funny because he has like Yorkie hair, but like as it grows out, it gets super curly, like the poodle part of him. And it's just funny. We're gonna put Tell Tuesday here. Do we want to layer him? I think we should. Look, because we don't have any of the green over here. So let's put that guy there. And we have the Pop Fizz Clink full box. Can I just say, without the New Year's quotes, like if you look at the rest of this, this would make a great like wedding memory planning like grouping. Oh, we have a dino. It's not the new dinos, but it is a dino. Could use that guy. Oh, so many choices. Let's see. Because there's a lot of pink on that side. I feel like we need a green of some sort. So I think we'll grab the polka dots. And I think we'll put this up on Monday. Oh, that's cute. And then maybe we can put some more quotes type things. Because I think this is like it for important like appointment things, chores, Tell Tuesday. I'm not using trash night because it's going to be pushed back again. Our trash day is Friday. So technically our trash night is Thursday. But Friday's a holiday. So that's not happening. Oh, I forgot we have these deco things too. We should use the deco to kind of... we can make a full box out of this. Where do we want to put it? Let's do here. So we'll do that. That. I think maybe we like cut this one a little bit. I could have probably spaced these out a little bit better, but it's fine. Ooh. What if we, I don't know. This is just kind of silly, but it's fun. Making full boxes out of deco-y things. Am I missing any? I've got one more champagne, or two more champagne bottles, but I don't think I want to use those. I think I'm good. So we got like a little full box there. And I've said this in the last few videos that I'm enjoying leaving some white space for me to journal in. That's been super nice. I know it's on both sides, but we're gonna put this one on this side too, because I feel like it's really the only time I can use this quote. So yeah, it's in two spots, but that's okay. Pop, fizz, clink. And then I think I am gonna add a habit tracker. No, I'm not yet. That's coming up soon. So I think that's where I'm gonna leave it for this week. So nothing too crazy, just like a little bit of fun here and there. If you like this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up. There's my thumbs. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button. I have a lot of new things coming in the new year, or at least plans for new things. We'll see how they come. And I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye-bye.